In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status to Do Not Disturb on Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful when you need some uninterrupted time to focus on your tasks or simply need a break from notifications. Whether you're an experienced Teams user or new to this platform, this guide will ensure you can make the most out of it. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the application on your device. You can do this on your web browser or via the desktop application, whichever you find more convenient. Simply sign in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Now, once you're in the Microsoft Teams interface, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your profile picture or initials, so go ahead and click on that. This brings up a little menu where you'll find all sorts of useful options related to your profile and settings. In this menu, you'll see the section that shows your current status. It might say available, busy, or another status. What you want to do next is select this status option to view a drop-down menu, which includes several status preferences. From this drop-down, simply choose Do Not Disturb. Setting your status to Do Not Disturb is crucial when you're in meetings, focused on a project, or need some quiet time without the buzz of notifications pulling you away from what's important. When in Do Not Disturb mode, your colleagues will see you're unavailable, and notifications will be blocked until you change your status again, allowing you to work uninterrupted. After you've selected Do Not Disturb, you'll notice the change reflected on your profile icon, indicating that other users will now see your new status. This is all you need to do. With these simple steps, you're all set to have some focused time without interruptions. And there you have it. Changing your status in Microsoft Teams is quick and straightforward, but it can make a huge difference in your productivity. Remember, it's easy to change back to available or any other status when you're ready to re-engage with your team. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you found this guide helpful and see you in the next video for more tips and tricks to improve your work life.